Welcome back. The last property in the parent container or the flex container is the align content property. So align content property is again very simple. Basically, it is used to align the flex lines. So when your content is going beyond one line, then you can align it across the cross axis using the align content property. Let me show you how. For example, whenever your content is going beyond one line, it can be used to align your content along the center, along space around, and so on. So let's discuss these properties. So again, there are 5 properties. First one is flex start, which is going to align your content at the start of the cross axis, flex end at the end of the cross axis, center at the center of the cross axis, space around, again the same thing where it aligns the same space from top and bottom across the multiple lines, space between in the so it will align it in the manner that there is equal space in between. For example, let's say if the content went beyond 3 lines or 4 lines, then there would have been space between. We'll try it out while doing the exercise. So let's go back to our code. Let's open align content and let's open CSS file as well. So let's go back and let's open the align content here. So the first one is align start, the flex start. Let's have a look at flex start. So I'll just copy and paste this class name and then I'll align the contents as flex start. And now as you can see, it will move everything to the flex start. This is going to be very simple, just like the previous examples that we saw, and I hope that is super easy to understand as well. So let's have a look at flex end as well. Flex end, and let's give it the properties. Align content as flex end. So as you can see, it aligned the content towards the end of the cross axis. The third one is going to be, as you can see here, center, which is going to align the content towards the center of the cross axis. Let me do a center here and let me name the class selector as center as well, and let me align content to center once again. So as you can see here, align content centers aligns it across the center. 2 values remaining. You already know what these two are going to do, but if you do it hands-on, if you actually practicing it along with me, you will actually get the stuff better. You might run into some errors or you might face some issues, which you can directly put it in the comment section and I would be more than happy to help you. So yes, that's the benefit of practicing along. That's the benefit of doing things simultaneously and being an active learner. So let's have a look at space around first and then space between. Let's name it space around and let's align the content to space around, and as you can see here, it aligns it equally at the top and the bottom. And finally, the last one is the space between. For space between, I will do one thing. I will add a few more items just to show you that this is actually working. I'll add a little more. I'll not name it properly. Let's just have it named that way only. And let's do one thing. Let's have it as space between, and the align content is going to be space between, and let's increase the height to, let's how about 540 pixels. In the 540 pixels, as you can see here, is going to provide equal space in between the content. So I hope that it's very clear now from these examples, and we are done with our parent element or the flex container properties. From the next video, we are going to start the flex item properties, which are the child elements. I'm super excited for this. See you in the next video.